replace this door here. Replace it with this one here. Pre-hung steel door. Well, here's what the inside looks like. So what I'm going to do first is just remove the door. So I'm just going to knock the pins out of it. This foam's got to go. Just knock the pins out and pull the door off. Yeah, for removing the door pins, I just take a nail, stick it up there, and just tap on it, and then it makes the pin come loose from the top. See? Let's pull that out. We'll tap it out some more. Do the same thing with these. All right, now I'm just gonna use this and my hammer and just kind of get rid of all this stuff, because this whole thing's got to come out all the way down, back down to the studs. So this is all gonna come out. So I'm just gonna kind of hack at it with this here. Already got the old one out of here. There it is there, all the pieces. Now I'm just gonna go through and get rid of this foam, just clean that up. Pull out any nails like this. Make sure it's all clean. Kind of ready to fit this one in. All right, got all the trim off there now too. Let's go ahead and see how this one fits in there. All right, that one fits in there pretty nice. Go ahead and start securing it. All right, well, I just went in and nailed it all up, all through here. And these finishing nails, I just tapped on each one to get them below flush, and come back and do some touch-up painting. But this is it, it's in there good. Went all the way around it. There it is. Put the doorknobs in, get the trim on. See you later, old door. All right. Thanks for watching.